Stepping into the world of social interactions might seem daunting, but there's no cause for alarm. Achieving proficiency in friend-making is an attainable skill, akin to other faculties we acquire throughout life. Think of it as an exciting voyage, every meeting offering a fresh chance for development and bonding. The craft of fostering friendships isn't a natural gift restricted to a lucky few, but a talent that can be kindled, refined, and sharpened as time passes. Much like figuring out how to cycle or picking up a new dialect, the journey can be filled with obstacles, featuring moments of experimentation and learning. It might necessitate venturing beyond your familiar boundaries, gaining insights from your missteps, and perpetually altering your strategy. The process calls for time, an often underestimated element, and patience, a virtue possessed by only a few. Initiating the process of forging friendships often begins with discovering shared pursuits. This forms a fundamental pillar of any enduring camaraderie. It's centered around uncovering those mutual passions, pastimes, and endeavors that both you and your potential companion appreciate. These can range over an uncountable range of options, from a joint admiration for literature to a shared inclination towards trekking, or from a collective fervor for culinary arts to a joint intrigue in the world of cinema. Getting involved in clubs, societies, or online groups that resonate with your hobbies forms a good initiation. It could manifest as a book discussion club, a group for trekkers, a cooking course, or a digital space for film lovers. These avenues not only offer chances to cross paths with people of similar inclinations, but also act as a precipitator to spark discussions. Common experiences lay down the foundation for connection, an element that unites people. This connection subsequently becomes a smooth opening to a conversation, a means to ease initial awkwardness, and set the initial stage for an emerging companionship. Navigating the social landscape may be daunting, but armed with these tips, you have the tools to face the challenge head-on.